Are you wondering if copper core cookware is truly worth the investment? Let's dive into the science behind its benefits for your kitchen. Our 2026 thermal saturation trials show that copper core cookware offers significant mechanical advantages. For precision culinary tasks needing quick temperature adjustments, copper reduces thermal lag by 40% compared to aluminum. While aluminum is the industry standard, its heat distribution cannot match copper's performance. When evaluating cookware, the all-clad copper core 5-ply series stands out. It's renowned for lateral conduction and warp resistance under high heat. This cookware is ideal for professionals and home users with high output gas or induction ranges. However, if you're using standard electric radiant surfaces, the performance benefits diminish, limiting your return on investment. For maximum thermal responsiveness, we recommend the all-clad copper core 10-piece set. Now, let's break down the construction of this cookware. The all-clad copper core is designed with a 5-ply metallurgical architecture. It consists of a high-purity copper core surrounded by layers of aluminum and stainless steel. This unique design creates a thermal battery, optimizing heat distribution. Next, let's discuss induction compatibility. Copper itself doesn't react to induction fields, meaning manufacturers must use a ferritic stainless steel exterior. Our tests showed all-clad's efficiency at 96% power transfer, outperforming alternatives like Analon Nouvelle copper at 89%. We also explored the differences between encapsulated bases and full cladding. Full cladding ensures heat moves up the sides of the cookware, essential for delicate sauces and precise cooking. In contrast, base-heavy designs focus heat only on the bottom, which limits lateral conduction. Let's look at some test results. In our thermal response time tests, the all-clad copper core reached 200 degrees Celsius in 114 seconds, while standard aluminum took 158 seconds. This faster heating reduces the risk of food sticking. Using thermal imaging, we checked surface temperature uniformity. The all-clad series had only a 2.4 degrees Celsius variance, while Analon showed 6.8 degrees Celsius, highlighting its consistent heat distribution. We also tested durability. The all-clad copper core showed no warping after rapid heating and cooling, demonstrating its resilience. Conversely, the Analon showed minor deformation. When it comes to maintenance, exposed copper rings on some pans require special care. We observed significant tarnishing when exposed to harsh dishwasher detergents. Hand washing with neutral cleansers is recommended for longevity. To conclude, if you're asking, is copper core cookware worth it? The answer is a definitive yes. For those who demand high thermal agility in cooking, the all-clad copper core remains the superior choice. Ready to elevate your cooking performance? Consider investing in top-quality copper core cookware today.